When you're having trouble accomplishing an exercise, it's tempting to think you need to practice that same exercise over and over, but ultimately that leads to frustration. Find instead the aspect of the exercise that gives you trouble. What joint isn't moving? What muscles need to get stronger? And find that in a different exercise. Practice it in the different exercise until you get so strong with it that then you can apply it to the exercise you've been having trouble with. Let's take the roll up. In the roll up, you can't get yourself up yet. An issue is your half roll down. When you do the half roll down, rotate your pelvis in posterior tilt, go all the way until your pelvis is level with the mat and you're still in flexion with your spine. Keep doing posterior tilt as you come back up until you could go all the way down in posterior tilt, getting your pelvis level with the mat and then coming back up. You can't do the roll up. So practice that in the half roll down and grab your roll back bar. Practice that there. There you have great support. Rotate your pelvis in posterior tilt as you roll backwards. Pause with your pelvis level with the mat. Pubic bone to the ceiling, sit bones forward. Keep rotating your pelvis in posterior tilt as you come forward. Stay lightly round and do that again until you can really do this with the support of the roll back bar. And then without the support of the roll back bar, you won't have the roll up or the teaser. So instead of fighting with an exercise that you can't possibly get, break it down and find the parts that are challenging. Discover it in other places, strengthen there, then apply it to the challenging exercise.